Good morning, ma'am. Today's topic is engineering mechanics. Angular velocity, B. Relative velocity, kinetic energy, impulse. Angular velocity, relative velocity, kinetic energy, impulse. Introduction to angular velocity. Angular velocity is measured how quickly object rotates around the fx axis. It is a typically expressed radians per second or degrees per second. The formula angular velocity W equal to theta by t, where theta is the angle of radians and t is the time in seconds. Concepts of angular velocity. Angular velocity is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. The direction of angular velocity given by the right hand rule, where the thumb points along the axis of rotation. In circular motion, the angular velocity remains constant of the object moves the uniform speed. Angular velocity. Angular velocity is a crucial field like robotics and precision movement necessary. It is also systematic described the rotation bodies. Energy engineers apply angular velocity principles and designers rotators, machinery and vehicles. Introduction to relative velocity. Relative velocity is the velocity and object a particular reference frame. Help understanding the object relation to objects move in a relation to one another. The formula relative velocity v dash ab equal to v dash a minus v dash b, where a and b and two different objects. Concepts of relative velocity. Relative velocity are so much frames, reference frames, such stationary or moving observers. Essential in collision analysis, where relations object are assessed. Understanding velocity. Velocity is negativation and tracking the moving multiples and objects. Relative velocity. Introduction to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the process of object by the motion. V. Formula for kinetic energy. K equal to half 1 by 2 mv square, where m is the mass and v velocity. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity and is always positive as mass and velocity are both positive. Concept of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy depends on both mass of the object and the square of the velocity. Changes kinetic energy can occur through the work done object or change in speed. Kinetic energy. Consider isolated systems where the total energy remains constant. Applications of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy fundamental mechanics influencing how objects relate the interact. The critical science, analogy, performance and efficiency of the athletics. Engineers consider kinetic energy when designing safety feature in vehicles to absorb impact energy. Introduction to impulse. Impulse is defined as change in momentum of an object when a force applied over a period time. The formula F equal to delta. Impulse vector is quantity of both magnitude and direction is associated with the force. Field impulse is a vector quantity which means both magnitude and direction. Phi is in customized presentation better fit your needs. Thank you.